the power of self-awareness. So through this gathering, we have gathered here together through this meeting and with some discussions, with some small activities, we'll try to know ourselves.
My name is Vivan and I live in Mumbai, Thane. I am 11 completed. My 12 will be over in 2024. My hobbies are swimming, dancing, coding, and I love gymnastics.
Great. Anyone else?
My name is Sarah. I'm 11 years old. I live in Pune. I like to play football, and I just came from USA a week ago. And mostly I like to spend time with my brother.
See, self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand yourself, including your thoughts, your emotions, whatever you do, and your impact on others, right? For example, if I say something and I can make you laugh or smile, so I know that yes, this is something that you like. Or if I do something and it makes you sad, then I should be aware that yes, this is not something the other person likes. Now I want somebody to read this out for me, that why is it important. Sanjana, would you like to read this?
Okay. Developing self-awareness can lead to great self-control, better decision making, and improved relationships.
Yes, ma'am. So my strengths are music, dance, and history. History, mythologies, and different cultures of different places.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Mohapatra. I am 8 years old in grade 3. I'm quite friendly, ambitious, and adventurous person. My favorite hobbies are making paper planes, drawing, and reading books. My ambition is to become an astronaut. I'm good at making different kinds of paper planes. I can skate well and also I'm excelling in taekwondo. I love to write stories. This is my first storybook which I've written. Thank you.
Okay, so it's a lifelong process. It will go on with you. And yes, today what we discussed and what you saw in the video, spend time with just yourself and just observe what kind of thoughts you get, what you feel like doing, what you don't feel like doing. Okay.